A course in BA Psychology is an opportunity to explore the mysteries of the human mind and understand why people behave the way they do. In this video, we will discuss everything you need to know about this field, from subjects to career options and growth potential. So, let us get started. BA Psychology is a 3-year undergraduate course that explores the science of human behavior and mental processes that helps you understand how people think, feel, and behave. The course covers core areas such as general psychology, developmental psychology, abnormal psychology, and social psychology, exploring topics like how the mind works, how people grow and change, and what causes unusual behavior. It also covers advanced topics such as health psychology, cognitive psychology, and research methodology, explaining how psychology affects health, how people think and process information, and how to study and analyze behavior scientifically. Along with this, practical skills such as counseling others, counseling techniques, testing abilities, aptitude testing, understanding personalities, and personality assessments are also taught in this course. To summarize, this course is designed for students who are curious about why people act the way they do and how to use that knowledge to solve everyday problems. To be eligible, you should complete your 10+2 education. Now, when it comes to admissions, many colleges admit students based on merit, while some conduct entrance exams. So, check with the college of your choice for their specific requirements. With BA in Psychology, you can work in sectors like community health centers, schools and colleges, NGOs, marketing and HR departments in corporates and rehabilitation centers. Beginners can expect 2 to 5 lakh rupees per annum depending on the role. With experience, professionals can earn up to 8 to 10 lakh rupees annually. Growth prospects are bright, especially with increasing awareness about mental health. Counseling and HR roles often have flexible hours, while clinical roles may demand irregular schedules. You need empathy and emotional intelligence, strong communication and interpersonal skills, analytical and problem-solving abilities, a keen interest in research and observation. These skills not only help in your studies but also in building a successful career. Some of the top colleges offering BA Psychology in India are Lady Shri Ram College, Gargi College, and Jesus and Mary College in Delhi, St. Xavier's College in Mumbai, Christ University in Bangalore, Fergusson College and Symbiosis College in Pune. You can also opt for distance learning programs from institutions like IGNOU and Bangalore University. If you found this video useful, do subscribe to our channel, where we will discuss about another exciting career path and popular courses every week. Give it a like and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. See you next week with more insights into careers and education.